Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this Samsung. Start by finding voice recorder and clicking on it. If you don't have this app already installed on your Samsung, don't worry, you can always go into Play Store, click on the search bar, type Samsung voice recorder, and download this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Then choose while using the app, click on Allow and tap on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to end your recording, click on the square button, name it and choose Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to delete it though, you can always hold it. Tap on Delete All icon at the bottom left corner and select Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!